Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Karla here. We are your favorite Dallas realtors. We help families just like yours buy, sell, invest, and relocate here into the DFW area. We would love to hear from you, answer any questions that you may have about living in the Dallas area, living in North Dallas. And our information is going to be right up here. We would love to answer any questions that you may have. Hey guys, before we move on, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Also that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our videos that we shoot and we post each and every week.
So today we're in the community of Silverado, which is here in Aubrey. And we're looking at the Jeffery floor plan, which is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, 1 story. Square footage is 1874. Now, something to consider is that because of the market that we're in, they're having some really great incentives. Right. So you definitely want to give us a call so that we can tell you what those incentives are. Yeah. We have an inside scoop on what's going on, what they have available, and what they have deals on versus the general public. So please give us a call if you guys want more information on Silverado specifically. This is a great layout and you're gonna get a lot of features that are upgraded at absolutely no cost. So recessed lighting, fireplace behind us, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, along with stainless steel appliances.
This could be a great option for you if you're looking for just a 1-story. So
it has a lot of square footage and the kitchen is open, ceilings are high. Another thing to consider is the community itself. They have great amenities. So this is amazing for families that are moving into the area. You've got an elementary school on site. You're gonna have 2 different pools. You've got a clubhouse. You've got playgrounds. So the amenities they're so great here, which is what attracts a lot of people here to Silverado community. Well, there you have it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about the floor plan itself, let us know. We do have a layout that we can send you guys, as well as all the information for the community itself.
Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so you can stay up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. We would love to hear from you. We love our viewers, and we thank you for your support. We have hit 500 subscribers, which is one of our goals for this year. So thank you. If you are one of those subscribers, thank you for your support. Hey, our information is going to be right up here. We would love to hear from you if you have any questions at all about any of the North Dallas areas. We would love to partner up with you. Let's get you into your dream home.